Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Top Cashback app. So let's get started. So here you will just open your Google uh, search bar, or if you are an Apple user, then open your uh, App Store, and from there you can search it. So at here I will just search it as here um, Top Cashback app. Just search it here. Then here you can see the Top Cashback and Cash Offers app. Okay, just click on here. So you can just click on more info. So it's not available in my country. If it's available in your country, you can click on the install button and it will be directly downloading and installing automatically, and you can use it. So if you scroll down, you can see your app support also, and you can give a ratings from here. Okay, so this is how to download and install the Top Cashback app. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.